guys, it's Shelby. Welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be focusing on organizing, cleaning up, and a little bit of decluttering of my office and I guess you could call it my beauty area. If you watched either of my two most recent videos, being my clean with me and my makeup decluttering, I kind of talked about this space and what I wanted to get done with it. So focusing first on my office area. If you did watch the clean with me, this area was an absolute mess. I had just been finishing up, I guess, my remaining assignments for school. So now that I'm done, I actually just this weekend went on campus and finished up my last clinicals. So I'm done, I'm graduating. The only thing is I do still have my boards to study for. So these drawers have been very neglected, just packed full with books and notes and all kinds of things that I don't necessarily need on hand right now. I will keep a few things up here, like notes and stuff to study for my boards, but most of this can go downstairs. I have a tote down in my basement for like school stuff that I'm not using currently. This drawer also is kind of it's a mess. I have some school things over here, some like crafting things. It's kind of like my little mini pharmacy. Just, oh my gosh, everything's so random. So definitely going through all of those drawers. This next one's just pants. I've already done a clothing declutter here recently. Don't need to do anything there. Bras, bathing suits. This is all organized. Don't need to go through that. I might take a peek at this drawer. This is all of my like lotions and perfume sprays. It's been probably close to a year since I've gone through this. Actually, the last time I posted a video on here. So I'll go through those just to make sure everything's, you know, it's not completely empty or something. If that's the case, I'll pitch it. And then I had mentioned in my makeup declutter that I wanted to go through my Alex drawers and kind of reorganize there. So just going back through, if you've not seen that video, I'll link both of those below. These top 3 drawers are all makeup and tools, and they are already organized. So I want to go through basically here down. I think this is just sunglasses. Yeah, that'll probably stay the same. This is like masks and my everyday skincare and hair care. It's like a lot of my tools and my everyday stuff, and then I have some extras down here, hairsprays and stuff I don't use unless it's an occasion, and then just miscellaneous. So if you need some cleaning and organizing motivation, stick around. Let's get this place cleaned up. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get to it. I also forgot to mention just quickly, this side of the desk is actually my husband's. He's kind of the same boat as me. He's just graduated and taken his board exam, so I'll leave that up to him, but he definitely needs to do some decluttering over there as well. So I want to start off doing this kind of the Marie Kondo style. I want to take everything out of the drawers in the office area and just go through, decide what needs to stay, what needs to go, and then we'll put everything back into the drawers. Okay, so if you see what I mean, I just have so much junk in here that I don't currently need. So like I said before, I will keep a couple things up here for when I am studying for my boards. But yeah, I think I just need to go through and figure out what's important, what needs to stay, and what needs to go into storage downstairs. Okay, so just a quick tip in what I've done so far to get myself oriented here is I have grouped like items. So I have all of my books here that I need to go through. Over here I have some papers that I need to figure out where they need to go, whether they need to go into like file folders or if they need to go into these binders back here, or all of my notes and my handouts and things that I've kept throughout the school years. So yeah, I need to go through that stack, figure out where they belong. I have some electronics here that are just kind of random. I'll probably go back into that bottom drawer. So yeah, really just grouping like things together helped me figure out how much of each thing I have and where everything is so that I can get everything organized here first and then place back into the drawers. So first thing I do know, this top drawer I'm going to leave pretty much the same. I had my laptop in, I had my laptop in here as well as my cord for the laptop and my mouse pad and my mouse. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put those items back in here since I know that those will be staying here, and it'll kind of clear up some room for me here to work with as well. Okay, so far I've gotten to the point where I have all of my notes filed away in the correct binders. I put all of my completed mentorship signed forms and everything in one binder, and then just like extra stationery type stuff, so like dividers and paper and stuff in another, so those can all stay just in general office stuff. I'm only going to keep 2 books up here for now and see if I can keep all of my notes up here. Well, actually 2 general books and then 2 books that are actually meant for review for the board. So the rest of these books are going to go downstairs. I'm going to see if I can organize this stuff back into the drawers and then kind of give a quick glance over the stuff over here too and put everything back away nicely. Just a quick little overview. This is the stack of books that I'm going to be taking down to the basement. Just some couple, like, I don't know, extra paper and some spray paint that belongs in my craft tote. And this is all of the papers that I'm getting rid of that I don't need anymore. So just a quick overview of the desk. The top part is just a bunch of pens and markers and calculators, just, you know, normal office stuff. This drawer here is just like our bills. This one now is nice and cleaned up. It's just my computer and computer accessories. I have a couple books in here as well as my 2 binders, my stethoscope. Down here I just have my 2 review books and a couple extra little things. And then drawer down here, I have all my binders with all my notes and handouts. The rest of this is really just kind of miscellaneous storage. This is kind of like my little mini junk drawer in my room. Okay, moving along to the top drawer of my dresser with all of the lotions and sprays. I'm just gonna quickly go through each of these. I don't think I'm really gonna be getting rid of anything unless it's like completely empty. I do have a couple bottles in here I know are pretty much gone, so. Alright, so only getting rid of a couple things. These are just my, I don't know, empty bottles. So everything else is staying pretty much where it is. I did move a couple things, like this didn't belong over here. I just threw it over here with all of my, I don't know, Triple Moisture, I think, from Bath & Body Works. This is the lotion that I use pretty much daily, so I just have that right on top and easy access. The rest of this back here is like sunscreen, after sun lotion, aloe, and then like my body, what do you call these? Ultra Shea Body Butters from Bath & Body. And then I found these over here. Honestly, kind of forgot that I even had them, so that's why I moved them over here so that I remember to use them. And then I have my perfumes and body sprays over here. Moving on to the Alex Tower. Like I said, the first 3 drawers were all makeup and tools that I've already gone through. This drawer is just sunglasses. I really no need to change this drawer at all. Moving on to this drawer is face masks and like sprays and stuff. So I'm gonna go through these. For a while I did have Ipsy, and another time I had Sephora subscription boxes. So a lot of this is from there. But also some of it is not necessarily for my skin type. So these are just some cooling eye gels, patches. So I'll keep a hold of that. I have just one left. This one is for oily and combo skin. I have pretty dry to normal skin, so I'm gonna pass that one along to a friend. I've pretty much used this one a lot. It's the, I don't even know, Ren Glycol Lactic Radiance Renewal Mask. I think there's still quite a bit in here. Yeah, there's still enough for me to get a few uses out of that, so I'll keep that. This one's really just a fun mask. It's a gold mask. It actually is this exact color when it's on my skin, so it's fun. I'll hold on to that one. I have two like charcoal type peel off masks. I don't really use this stuff a whole lot. Oh God. So I might only keep one of them. That one's pretty full. This one's almost empty, so I'll probably pass this one along. I have a couple like clay type masks or mud masks. I actually like both of these. I'm gonna keep both of them. This one is Honey Potion. It is like a really nice warming mask. I actually just did this one yesterday. I like this one a lot. I'm gonna keep a hold of that one. Vitamin C jelly mask. I've used this one a couple times. I'll probably just use that up here shortly. I'll keep a hold of that. This one is just a proactive mask. I'll use that on my spots like overnight. And this one is actually a cleanser that I think I've maybe used once. Yeah, I'll go ahead and just pass that along to a friend. I'm probably not gonna use that. And then I just have a little silicone brush in here to apply the mask. This one over here, I actually get from Walmart. It's like a bright teal color. I don't know, just really fun on occasion to use that one. This one, it's another charcoal mask, but this one is not a peel off, so I actually like this one a lot whenever I do have serious breakouts, so I'll keep a hold of that. And then I just have some witch hazel spray, some Nair, and then I actually have two sheet masks under here that I didn't even see that I had, so I might just kind of like, yeah, that'll make it easier to see so I can use those up next time. So this drawer is my kind of everyday skincare drawer. Really not gonna be getting rid of much, if anything, here, just cleaning it up a bit. So I do just have a couple deodorants that I'll go back and forth between. Definitely keeping both of those. And then I have Proactive Targeting Treatment that I use every day. Just a facial mist, hydrating facial mist that I'll use on occasion if I'm feeling super dry. This is my everyday moisturizer. I have a, I think this is retinol. Not even retinol, super antioxidant concentrate serum, yeah, with retinol. So I use this in the evening. This was actually kind of like a jelly moisturizing cream. I don't really use jelly stuff much because I have, like I said, dry to normal skin, which jelly stuff is more for like lightweight for oily skin. So I think I might go ahead and pass that along to a friend. I haven't used that since I gotten it really. Clinique Moisture Surge, keeping that. Tatcha water cream, keeping that. This is just a random like oil hyaluronic acid face serum. I'll keep a hold of that. Retinol face serum, keeping that. Fourth Ray coconut face milk, keeping that. This one's pretty much empty. It is the Fourth Ray Rainfall. I'll go ahead and pitch that. It's, like I said, empty. I won't be using that anymore. The Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Concentrate Serum. I use this pretty much every night. Keep that. This is a Soul Glow Oil. I actually got this like, I don't know, probably winter time, and then I just used it for the first time over the 4th of July weekend. It's very, very pale and champagne-like. I kind of wanted to get a different color that's more of like a rose gold than a champagne. It was just very, very glittery. It's still pretty though. I'll go ahead and hold on to that. I just have a lash serum, keeping that, and then a Clinique Moisture Surge eye cream. It's actually a gel. Like I said, I don't really use gels a whole lot, but I do use this one on my under eye, so I'll go ahead and keep a hold of that. Okay, so moving on to hair tools and products. So this whole thing over here, I just have my hair ties, my clips, my bobby pins. Really nothing's going away from here. I also have like a hairband that sometimes I'll put in my hair when I shower. I have just like a whole bunch of clear elastics that'll stay. Let's see, I have some things that have escaped back here. If you didn't watch my previous makeup declutter, I mentioned how much I really do not like the Alex 9 tower. Just because the organizers don't fit properly, things fall behind, and it's kind of a pain, honestly. Okay, so I have 2 brushes that I use, depending on if my hair is wet or dry. Okay, Mark Anthony hair oil. I use this on occasion. I'll keep a hold of that. This is what I use every single time I get my hair wet. The Miracle Leave-In. It's a 10. And I have Briogeo Blossom and Bloom volumizing spray. I'll keep a hold of that. Okay, I have a Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo. There's still some in there. I actually use this more for volumizing texture for, I don't know, whenever I'm styling. Wave spray from Way. You can see I've gotten quite a bit of use out of that. I'll keep that. Another little dry shampoo. I keep a hold of these just because I don't really buy dry shampoo very often, but I've gotten these from subscription boxes, so they're nice to have whenever I do want to add some texture and some grit to my hair. And the same thing with this, a thickening spray. These little guys are just little solutions to put in your hair after you've been in chlorine. So I'll keep a hold of those. Moving down to this drawer, I just have a bunch of different combs. In the side here, I have some hairspray. This one's pretty much empty. I'm just quickly going to pour the rest into, this one is a brand new bottle. I also have a dry shampoo from Dove, keeping. This one's like a hair and body mist, like a coconut scent. I really like this. I'll keep a hold of that. This is just a shine spray. I rarely use it, but I've probably had this for years, but it's not like it's going to go bad, so I'm definitely going to keep a hold of that. And then back here, I just have a couple hair masks. I don't know, probably from Marshall. It's just a coconut oil mask. I haven't done a hair mask in a while, and this is kind of making me want to do one. And then just a melt into moisture, so it's a nice moisturizing mask as well. And last drawer is kind of a hodgepodge. Really just things that don't really have a place to live. Actually, let me see if this hairspray will fit up here. Yeah, okay. Anyway, it's just hairspray, so it belongs in this drawer anyway. So here I just have some tanning stuff. I have my tanning mitt, I have a brush, I have my actual tanner, brushes actually, just some random coconut oil, some jewelry cleaner. I have just some small mirrors down here. I use this little paddle for applying self-tanner to my back. And then I have some hair removal cream, as well as different like electric razors and stuff. So really, all this stuff, like I said, doesn't have anywhere else to live. So nothing's moving from here. This is just gonna remain ugly, but functional. Thanks so much for watching today. I really hope I was able to help motivate you to do some organizing, decluttering of your own. And please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.